Here we have for you a Volkswagen T-Roc. Now it's a 1 litre TSI SE Life 115 PS. The car is a cracker and it has a top spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, lane assist, a radar sensor controlled distance monitoring system, a multifunction front-facing camera, a city emergency brake, along with these 18-inch Arlo alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot, it's really big and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has Volkswagen Roadside Assistance, 2-zone climate control and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.